Robots aren't just coming, they're already here. In China, one humanoid is walking with perfectly straight knees. Another startup is building robotic butlers with hands as nimble as yours. One company is even designing a pregnancy robot with an artificial womb. Jack Ma's firm unveiled a humanoid chef that can cook garlic shrimp. Tesla is still pushing Optimus despite constant skepticism. And NASA? They're openly preparing artificial astronauts for Mars missions. Meanwhile, massage robots are already rolling out across the United States. The pace is insane. The stakes? Massive. So let's break it down. In Shanghai, Kepler Robotics introduced their K2 Bumblebee humanoid. What sets it apart is its walk. Most humanoids we've seen over the years move stiffly, shuffling with bent knees like they're crouching. Bumblebee instead uses a straight knee gait, making its walk look far more human. But this isn't just cosmetic. It's also more energy efficient and stable on uneven ground, slopes, or even when pushed. Kepler pulled this off with a hybrid joint system paired with their VLA plus AI framework. That's vision, language, and action working together in real time. At the 2025 World AI Conference, Kepler live-streamed Bumblebee for 8 hours. It picked up objects, carried conversations, and stayed balanced in unpredictable settings. Something humanoid robots usually fail at. Compared to Tesla's Optimus, which still struggles with disturbance resistance, Bumblebee looks like a serious leap forward. Meanwhile, another Chinese startup, XSquare, is focusing less on walking and more on hands and reasoning. Backed by over $100 million in funding, their new system, Wall OSS, is an open-source embodied AI foundation model. This model tackles two of robotics' biggest problems: catastrophic forgetting, when learning something new makes the robot forget old skills; modal decoupling, when vision, language, and action lose sync, making movements clumsy. Wall OSS solves this with massive training data, blending real-world actions with AI-generated video. It links vision, language, and motor control into one reasoning system. This allows robots to plan ahead, not just pick up cup, but walk to fridge, grab food, place it on the table. They've integrated this into their Quanta X2 robotic butler, a wheeled humanoid with 62 degrees of freedom, highly dexterous hands, and modular attachments for cleaning or tool use. With Wall OSS open-sourced on GitHub and Hugging Face, XSquare hopes developers will accelerate adoption, putting robotic butlers in homes within the next 5 years. On the more controversial side, Kaiwa Technology revealed plans for the world's first pregnancy humanoid robot with an artificial womb. The concept: a life-sized humanoid carrying a fetus through a full 10-month cycle before delivery. Unveiled at the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing, the founder described it as mimicking natural gestation with a fetus floating in synthetic amniotic fluid. They aim for a 2026 launch under $14,000. The idea has sparked huge ethical debates. Some call it hope for infertile families. Others see it as dystopian. Legal frameworks are still being discussed, but it's pushing robotics into uncharted territory. Jack Ma's Ant Group rolled out its first humanoid, the R1. Demonstrated by cooking garlic shrimp on stage, the R1 weighs about 240 pounds, stands just over 5 feet, and moves at 1.5 meters per second. It's designed for real-world use: cooking, guiding tours, even basic medical consultations. Already deployed in places like the Shanghai History Museum, Ant is combining hardware with its own AI model, Bailing, aiming to merge finance, digital services, and physical robotics. Meanwhile, Elon Musk unveiled Tesla's master plan just 29 months after Part 3, underscoring how fast things are shifting. The plan puts AI and robotics at the center, with Optimus positioned as the future of labor. Musk envisions Optimus taking on dangerous and repetitive jobs, freeing humans for more creative pursuits. But critics argue Tesla still struggles with safety. Robotaxis in Austin still require operators, and Optimus has been accused of staged demos. Even Musk admitted production by 2025 is unlikely, leaving big doubts hanging over the project. In space, NASA's Pascal Lee is pushing the concept of artificial astronauts. These humanoids would handle Mars missions without needing food, oxygen, or life support. They could perform spacewalks and endure harsh conditions humans can't. Lee suggests we're entering an era where robots with AGI, artificial general intelligence, might become our offspring, carrying human DNA to other planets. Musk has even suggested launching Optimus to Mars as early as 2026, ahead of human landings. And while all that sounds like science fiction, AI robots are already slipping into daily life. In San Antonio, Texas, a spa became the first in the city to offer AI massage robots. Developed over 7 years with $70 million invested, these machines scan your body with cameras, use pressure sensors to adjust in real time, and deliver surprisingly human-like massages. Sessions cost less than many therapists, and units are already in 100+ locations across the US. Some customers love the experience, others find it unsettling. But either way, the robots are here. From humanoids with straight knees to AI-powered butlers, pregnancy robots, and NASA's artificial astronauts, the future isn't coming. It's arriving faster than anyone expected. The real question is, are we ready for it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe if you want to keep up with the wild future of AI and robotics, and I'll see you in the next one.